Here is how to get your Linux terminal on your Windows PC. First, go to your search bar and search for Turn Windows Features on or off from the control panel. Open this up and search for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now open up the Microsoft Store and search for the Ubuntu app. Now you can start downloading it. After the download is completed, restart your computer and open up Ubuntu again. After everything is installed, give in a new username and a new password. Here you go, now you can use your Linux terminal on your Windows PC. Enjoy! Please subscribe to the channel if you are new and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.